Hi, I'm Dr. Arani. I'm a former instructor and assistant clinical professor of Loma Linda University School of Medicine. This is the case of old HPV complicated infection with resistance to multiple treatment in the past. When I see this patient, I notice that hundreds of different sizes of HPV tumor populated in anal perianal area. This was a very difficult case, and it was very hard to treat this patient HPV and transform it to after photo on the right of the screen. Indeed, one of the reasons this patient has so many different sizes of growth is autoinoculation. The patient didn't wake up one day with many growths, but previous failure of treatment and irritation of the area helped spreading of this own HPV to himself. That is why you see different sizes of HPV growths with different color due to inflammation and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation process. I always advise other physicians of not to use any acid or cream at this area. It is easy to spray the area, apply some acid, or simply give a prescription to a patient and send them home. But there's always the thought that the patient might face autoinoculation complications and live with disabling consequences for the rest of their lives. So we performed HPV BCR treatment on him, and we removed them one by one, millimeter by millimeter. Took hours of micro removal. It was not easy to transform this highly infected area to this perfect photo. There were a lot of detailed work done, but the result is spectacular. The skin surface is smooth, without any visible growth or bumps, and it appears natural. This patient is back to his normal life with lifestyle changes and measurement to decrease the chance of getting reinfection with HPV. See only experienced medical doctor in your country or area if you have anal or perianal HPV.